Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to run Davinci Resolve smoothly on a low-end PC. Davinci Resolve is a powerful video editor, but it can be heavy on weaker systems, so let's optimize it step by step. First, open Resolve and go to Preferences, then Memory and GPU. Under GPU Configuration, select your GPU manually instead of auto. If you have an integrated graphics card, choose it and disable unnecessary GPU processing modes. Next, go to Playback at the top menu and turn on Proxy mode. Set it to half resolution or quarter resolution. This drastically reduces lag during editing. Then, go to Timeline Proxy Resolution under Project Settings and lower it for smoother playback. You can also switch your timeline and render format to DNX HRLB or ProRes Proxy. These are optimized for performance. Now, disable background caching and live save if your system has low RAM. Another big tip, close all other apps before launching Resolve, especially browsers or recording software. Finally, if you still experience lag, use the Render Cache Smart option. Resolve will pre-render heavy clips automatically so they play smoothly. With these tweaks, even a low-end PC can handle Davinci Resolve efficiently for basic editing and color correction. That's it. Try these settings and you'll see a huge difference in performance without upgrading your hardware. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.